looking for a simpler and faster way to manifest your desires? Neville Goddard's teachings can help you with that. He provides an easier and faster way to manifest without resistance, as long as you believe in the power of manifestation. Living as if your wishes are already fulfilled helps bypass any obstacles caused by conflicting beliefs and doubts. Today in this video, we are going to discuss one of underestimated manifestation technique, not technique. Welcome friends to our channel. If you are new here, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on manifestation. The knot technique is one of Neville Goddard's most popular techniques. He suggests that needing nothing will help bring your desired outcomes into reality faster than ever before. This technique focuses on living without attachment to the outcome, believing that it will come, regardless of what happens or doesn't happen in the physical world. This helps create a mental environment where things can manifest more easily and quickly than ever before. Belief is essential for manifestation success, as it opens the gateway to abundance and turning dreams into a physical reality. Having faith in yourself, believing that what you want is already happening or will soon come true, makes it easier for these desires to be manifested into existence with much less effort than usual. Getting overly focused on outcomes can create negative emotions and doubt when manifestations do not happen as quickly as you hope for them to come true. Therefore, having patience is key in this process. Each person's manifestation process is unique, so determining what methods work best for you personally can be beneficial in speeding up positive results from manifesting goals or desires you have set out for yourself. Having an open mind while taking action towards achieving what one wants will help reach those aspirations more efficiently than focusing solely on visualizing success with no active steps taken towards making it happen. Speaking positively about yourself and believing in your desires' ability to come true has a major impact on bringing them closer. So trust in the power of positivity. With Neville Goddard's teachings combined with belief, determination, patience, positive thinking, and taking action, manifestation success awaits. Many people struggle with manifesting their goals into reality. The key to manifesting is understanding how your emotions can be used as a compass to either draw in or push away desired manifestations from you. Neville Goddard's knot technique provides an easy and quick way to manifest desires using emotion. First and foremost, it is important to take yourself out of the state of lack if you wish for any positive manifestations to occur. This means reframing your thoughts from "I don't have X" into "when I have X, I will feel ye." This allows us to tap into our feelings and emotions associated with what we desire instead of focusing on the lack thereof. The subconscious mind does not process negative commands, so only the affirmative parts will be accepted when it comes time for manifestation. For example, if one wishes for financial independence, they should focus on experiencing pleasure and appreciation rather than worry or doubt oneself in capacity for these goals. This helps bring in more positive energy that will attract wealth rather than repel it due to negative thinking patterns. Similarly, when attempting to bring in specific things such as academic success or relationships, it's important to focus on experiencing pleasure and appreciation rather than worry or doubt oneself in capacity for these goals. This helps bring in more positive energy that will attract success rather than repel it due to negative thinking patterns. Unconsciously wanting something can often prompt us to unintentionally bring unwanted problems into our lives. This is because our subconscious mind processes commands regardless of intent, given its lack of comprehension of negative language like "no" or "I don't want." When manifesting goals, resistance may occasionally arise as doubt or fear enters our minds. However, it is essential to acknowledge these feelings without judgment and let them go. Replace any limiting beliefs with inspiring ideas instead, allowing your mindset to naturally support your intentions in manifesting them. Utilize Neville Goddard's KNOT method to simplify and naturalize the manifestation process by reframing thoughts and converting them into affirmations. For example, I am not poor becomes I am abundant. After taking the necessary action steps towards a goal, trust that everything will unfold at the right time as long as you remain patient and obtain results. It is important to avoid trying to control every step of the process. Additionally, be aware of any doubts that may be present so they can be addressed accordingly. Let go of past failures, regrets, or disappointments that could potentially hinder the achievement of desired outcomes. Consider any assumptions you may hold about yourself or the world that could conflict with intended results. Write these considerations down so they can be replaced with supportive affirmations moving forward. Gratitude plays an integral role in attracting abundance of all kinds, money, happiness, and prosperity, into our lives when thought about with genuine belief in their imminent arrival. Being thankful for both big and small blessings, along with understanding the importance of giving back, will help immensely on this journey towards prosperity. By believing that one lacks nothing and truly understanding and appreciating these words, the law of attraction will work its magic like never before. This powerful method of manifestation has been used for centuries to attract the things we desire. By shifting from a limited and deficient mindset to one of abundance and openness, you can manifest greater opportunities into your life. Here are some tips on how to do just that. First, be mindful of your thoughts and actions. Find ways in your daily routine that allow you to stay connected with yourself and the energy around you. This could be through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a few breaths when feeling overwhelmed by stress or anxiety. Focus on what adds value to your existence rather than things that take away from it. This will help create an internal space for manifestation to occur more easily and quickly. Second, learn how to welcome change without fear, uncertainty, or doubt. This is key towards gaining access to positive experiences. Start by believing in yourself. No matter what obstacles may come, face them head-on with confidence. Be open and receptive to what comes your way. When something good does come along, seize it with both hands. Don't let doubt hold you back from achieving great things. Self-confidence is essential for success in any endeavor. Take time out each day to appreciate all the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Positivity begets positivity. Harnessing abundance and positivity starts within ourselves. So take those small steps today towards manifesting greater opportunities into our lives using Neville Goddard's KNOT technique. It works wonders. As we have come to the conclusive section of the video, my friends, let me summarize the key takeaways from this video. Manifesting goals and desires is a process that requires belief, patience, positive thinking, and taking action. Neville Goddard's KNOT technique provides an easier and faster way to manifest without resistance, as long as you believe in the power of manifestation. Using emotions to manifest desired outcomes can be beneficial in speeding up positive results from manifesting goals or desires you have set out for yourself. Positive thinking and gratitude are also powerful tools when it comes to manifesting abundance in your life. Thanks for watching this video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey.